Hey everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to add clickable links to an image using Canva. Let's get started. To add a hyperlink, select the image you want to link. Then, either press the keyboard shortcut Ctrl+K or right-click the image and choose Link from the menu. A window will pop up, letting you add a URL to an external website or link to another page within your design. Perfect for multi-page projects. For this example, I'll link to Canva's website. Type the domain name into the field, then click Done. And that's it. Your link is now added. Important note, if you download your design as an image file like PNG or JPEG, the link won't work. Image files don't support clickable links by default. To keep the hyperlink functional, you have two options. 1. Embed the design directly on a website, blog, or online platform. 2. Download it as a PDF, which preserves clickable links. And that's all there is to it. If you found this helpful, give the video a thumbs up and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.